Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use iPhone calendar for birthdays. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So first things first, go to choose a person from your contacts list. For instance, let's choose this specific contact person. Next, tap on Edit, located in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the option called Add Birthday, and tap on the plus button on the left corner. Choose the preferred date, or specifically the birth date of this contact person, and click on Done. Once you've entered the information, now we have to exit the Contacts app and open the Calendar app. And ensure that Birthdays option in the other section is marked as checked. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.